Hi guys, in this quick and easy tutorial, I'm going to be showing you how you can change primary market on Shopify. Now this is going to be an easy and quick tutorial like I said. First thing you need to do guys, you want to log into your Shopify store. That's the first step. And after that, you want to click on settings here at the very bottom left. And then you want to click on markets, okay? So after guys, you click on markets, then you will have now, like I said, after you click on markets here, you will have to add the markets. Okay, so for primary market currently here is United States, as you can see USA. So I will change this to like France, for example. Okay, so what you guys need to do is here you want to click, you want to add the market in the top. Okay, first you will have to add it, and then you can set it as a primary market, or you can add it as a primary market. Just click on add the market in the top right, and after that you want to then select the market here. So I'm going to search here for France. Okay, so this is France. Just select here France and click on add the market. But after you click on add the market, you want to name this market. Just name it France. Okay, click on add the market. So after guys you add the market, then you want to click here where it says more actions in the top here, and then click on make primary market. Okay, so that's exactly how you can do this. Make primary market, click on confirm, and that's it. Now if it doesn't take you to this page, here you just click on markets. As you can see, primary market here is United States, USA. Now France, I have added a new market, which is France. I'm going to click on France, and I'm going to set this as a primary market, or make primary market. I'm going to click on it, confirm, and that's it. Now France is going to be my primary market, as you can see right now. Now hopefully this video guys helped. If it does, leave a like, subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments. I reply to every single comment. Just go to the comments below and tell me your questions. I will reply to you guys within a few minutes. So yeah, that's it. Hopefully this video helped you. See you guys next video.